Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. It's another simple and delicious one today. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs on the barbecue, but I'm doing a marinade that's just out of this world. Cilantro, lime, and some fresh herbs. Even if you're a little squirmish about cilantro, you gotta try this. It's outstanding. We'll put it together on a taco. Let's get cooking. We're going to start off with a tasty sauce for the top of our tacos. I call this a sweet cilantro yogurt sauce. We'll start out with a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. We'll add 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro, the juice of a half a lime, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good mix. Cover it and place it in the refrigerator until it's time to use it. Let's put together the cilantro lime marinade for our chicken thighs. Using a small mixer, I'll add 3/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now there's plenty of marinade here for up to at least 6 chicken thighs. We'll give that a good mix. Let's give it a taste. Man, that is just packed with flavor. I think I'll save a tablespoon or 2 and add it to my chicken after it's cooked. So we'll just pour that over top of our boneless, skinless chicken thighs and then marinate it for 24 hours. You can get away with 2 hours, but I like to do it for overnight, 24 hours of marinating. The flavors are outstanding. So cover it and then put it in the fridge. Before we get them on the grill, we'll give them a little pat dry with paper towels. I've lightly greased the grill with some vegetable oil. I've got it set to a medium to high heat. Let's get the chicken on and set our timer for 5 minutes. They've been on for 5 minutes. It's time to flip them. And then we'll set our timer for 4 minutes. This is handy when you have a quick read thermometer. Chicken should be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But you can take it off at 160, cover it, and let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes, and the temperature will go up 5 degrees to your desired 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a great recipe for a big crowd. You can dice up your chicken, have your shredded lettuce, have your tacos and your sauce, all prepared out on a table, and let the guests put them together. It's time to build the cilantro lime chicken tacos. I'm using soft shell tortillas. I'm going to add a generous amount of our cilantro lime chicken. Next we'll add some shredded lettuce. Shredded cabbage is also a good option. And not to forget our sweet cilantro yogurt sauce. You're going to love this sauce. And now let's top it off with a little sprinkle of some fresh chopped cilantro. Oh my, doesn't that look mouth-watering? And by the way, I found these great taco holders on Amazon. Comes in a package of 4. It is so handy when you're putting together tacos. Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little red button and you'll get notified every Monday when I put out a new video. Now I get to try the goods. Oh boy. Oh, the chicken is so tender. I love that sauce. A little bit of cilantro, some sweetness. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Wouldn't these be fabulous with a crowd? You could make a pile of them, let the people make them themselves, have that chicken all ready, and the diced up lettuce, and all your blah-blah. Well, bling take the dog. Cut.
Baby, please don't pretend you do.